former supervisor bitch ass over there with no hair.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got here. Well, kind of a long story. You see, that's water hammer. Water hammer, also known as hydraulic shock, happens when water rushing down a pipe is forced to stop. Incompressible substances, such as water, are not able to dissipate the force they're carrying when they're flowing down a pipe. Kind of like someone slamming a door in your face when you're walking down a hallway.
Yeah, Dunn, what up, brother? Nerd. What's up, dude? What's up, nerd? Yeah, dude, help out this crowd, brother.
Now, obviously, lots of force with nowhere to go is bad news. Systems with stiff or weak pipes can break when experiencing the large forces of a water hammer event. This can vary from simple leaks within a system to full-on pipe bursts. Now, if you've got multiple water hammer events throughout a system, the consequences can be catastrophic. Now imagine if you experience water hammer events throughout your whole house. And this is what could happen if you experience water hammer on a submarine.
Now that's a lot of damage! Let's see if it's gonna leak. Yep, it leaks!
So how do you prevent this from happening? The overall pressure increase, described earlier as the force, is a function of velocity and time. Decreasing the velocity and increasing the change in time are both ways to decrease the effects of water hammer. The velocity can be decreased while maintaining the same flow rate relative to Q equals VA, so a larger diameter pipe requires a lower velocity. Increasing the time simply means increasing the time taken to close the valve. With these simple fixes, you can avoid the catastrophic effects of water hammer.
Alright, good.
Alright, I think we're good.
Okay.
It was like a minute 40.